is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. I to the I to the no, no, no. My name is no. My sign is.
I'm in trouble, I'm an addict, I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a knot and my stomach in a whirl. But even worse, I can't stop calling her. She's all I want and more. I mean, damn, what's not to adore?